Today on Quick Tips, I am going to show you how to take a wireless remote, secure it to your shoulder strap. Basically, you're going to use this when you either want to put yourself in a picture or maybe you're shooting a slow shutter speed. So all you need to do, take your remote. In this case, this is a radio slave, so the receiver is mounted to the hot shoe of the camera, and you'll take your transceiver. There's two elastic loops here, and just kind of drop it and slide it in like that. Now my button's gonna be located right here. The on-off switch is right here. And if you go under the battery switch, there's actually 4 channels. I usually don't need to worry about the channel because I'm out by myself and nobody else is using slaves. So I'm just going to run down the ridge. I'll do a quick little selfie shot, but you can also imagine how well these work for slow shutters. All right, well, I'm pretty sure that worked out marvelously. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Quick Tips.